Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to switch from one screen to another screen using Python Kivy. Let me show you now. If I run this program, I click play, it takes me to another screen. I click menu, it takes me back to the first screen. So that's what we are going to be working on today. So please, if this is your first time watching, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn on the bell notification after you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this every week. So let's get started. First of all, we are just going to need few things now for this stuff to first get started. So we say from kivy.ui, kivy.app, we'll write import. Let me write this from Kivy app, import, then app. Then secondly, we are going to write from kivy.lang.builder, import builder. And finally, we are going to write from kivy.uix.screen manager, import screen. You write your command like this, then you write screen manager. So that's the first step. We are importing this. The main stuff is this builder, import builder, and screen manager um, module. So now we are going to create a class for this application. We are going to, let's call the application switch. Let's create a class and call it switch. Yes. Then write app. Under it, they'll write pass. They'll create another class again, which is the menu class. Or let's just call it first screen class. First screen. They'll write pass. Then the last class, which is class second screen. They'll write pass. So here's what we are going to do now. After creating the class, we are going to come to this switch app and create a function, which is build function, build self, then screen equal to builder dot load string, and let's call this string screen manager. So what we are going to do now, the reason why we are creating this is for us so we can be able to like switch, we can be able to, we want to create a kind of KV, sort of KV KV file. But instead of us creating KV file, we are just going to do this. We come over here and write screen manager equal to, then this apostrophe, the first apostrophe 3 times and the second apostrophe 3 times. So this is where we are going to be managing our level. It's a sort of kind of, instead we'll have used KV, but I prefer for easy understanding, we just need to write our script, our KV script here, right here, by creating this builder load string screen manager. So first of all, what we are going to do now, right now, we are going to come down right over here, write screen manager, then we give 4-line spacing, 1 2 3, then write menu, and second, first, sorry, after we write our screen manager, we are going to write this first screen and second screen over here. First screen, then second screen. So for our first screen, we are going to define what should how our first screen should look like. So here's what we are going to do. We are going to write, I'll just copy this first screen, copy, paste it here, 1 2 3 4. Then first of all, before you do anything, write name. You take note of this, it's very important. Write name. You are going to write the name of the screen is first. Write first. Then we are going to create our button, which is, let's define our button text. Let's call the button, the name of the button, play. So we are done with the first screen. Our first screen, we want to just make sure, we just want to just display a button which is written play. So we are going to do this for our second screen too also. Write second here and name this one second. I will call this one menu. So now we are already done with this second step. Now the third step is to make sure that whenever we press the first button, we are going to go to this second screen, and whenever we press this second button here on the second screen, we are going to return back to the first screen. So here's what we are going to do, how we are going to deal with this first screen. So we are going to write on button, on press, here, on press, then root dot manager dot current equal to second. That means whenever we press this button, we are going to call root.manager.current. We are going to transition to this second screen class. We are going to move to this second screen. Whenever we press the this button here, we are going to switch to the second class. So the same thing we are going to do for this side. We just copy and paste here. We are going to name it first. That means while we are at the second screen, once we press the menu button, it's going to take us back to this first screen. So that's what we are working on right now. So we are almost done now. It's just for us to do some setting things now right over here. So right here, we are going to do one final thing. The final thing is that we are going to do this, write sm equal to screen manager, then sm dot add widget. We are going to call this screen manager is for us to manage our screen switching. That's the main goal of this screen manager. So we are going to copy this. Let's copy this. First off, we are going to put the number of screens we want to add. We want to switch, which is from the first screen, then with this supposed to come down. Let's cut it and paste it somewhere here. First screen, and under that first screen, then we are going to call the name of the first screen name, which is first. Then we come down here and write name equal to first. Why is it displaying error here? Name, yep. Name, okay, yeah. The reason is display error. We now put apostrophe first. Same thing we are going to do for this second screen, too. Copy, we paste here, we call it second screen, and we call it second. So this is going to manage this screen manager. If you it is not going to work at all. So it's just what it does is to manage our screen switching. It is to manage our screen switching, and we have to include all the screens we are about to switch to. And finally, under this, we are going to write return screen. This variable right provided screen. Then under write screen right here, and also this side too, screen over here too. Under this class first screen, we define it as a screen, and the second one too, we define it as screen. So when we run it, it shows it's working now. Whenever we click play, it switches to another screen, and whenever we click menu, it switches to the home screen. So that is how to create a program that switches screen with Python 2. So that's all it is. Just click on it, it switches to another screen. So that's how to create a screen manager with Python 2. So please, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. And also don't forget to hit the like button, and stay tuned to my next video in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching.